Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have Mr. Kohl has a beaker containing n millimeters of a solution. If he gives each student 3 milliliters, he will have 5 milliliters left, and if he gives them 4, he's going to need to get an additional 21 milliliters. So how are we going to think about this? Let's just say, let the number of students be equal to the variable x. So if he gives each student 3 milliliters, he's going to be giving them 3 times x milliliters in total, right? If he gave 10 students 3 milliliters, in total he would be giving them 3 times 10 or 30, right? So you have to multiply them to get the total amount of solution that he's giving them. If he does that, he's going to give them n minus 5. He's going to give them everything in the beaker except he will have 5 left over. So if we rearrange this, by adding 5 to both sides, these will cancel and we get 3x plus 5 is equal to n. In a similar way, if he gives them 4 milliliters of solution each, he will use 4x milliliters, and to do this, he will give everything in his beaker, but he'll need an additional 21 more. So rearranging here, I'm doing this in both situations to get n alone. You'll see why in a second. We get n is equal to 4x minus 21. Now, we're looking at how many students are in the class. So we want to solve for x. And if we know that 3x plus 5 is equal to n, and 4x minus 21 is equal to n, these two things are equal to the same amount, therefore they're equal to each other. So 3x plus 5 is equal to 4x minus 21. And if we subtract 3x from both sides, these will cancel and we get 5 is equal to 4x minus 3x is 1x minus 21. Adding 21 to both sides, these will cancel. On this side we're just left with x is equal to 5 plus 21 is 26. We said x is the number of students in the class, so when it asks us how many students are left in the class, it is x, which is equal to 26, so D is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.